Good morning to all the students of class 10th. Here we'll be discussing about the sample paper of English language and literature. Students, there are a lot of changes if we compare the paper from last year. Just check this out. Sample question paper 2020 to 21 English language and literature. Time allotment is same 3 hours. Marks is 80 marks. Students, now this paper is divided into two parts, part A and part B. Remember, all questions are compulsory. First, you have reading section where you will get two passages, one discursive and one factual. All the questions under reading passage, you will have objective type questions. You will get 12 questions. You have to answer only 10. 1 mark each and 10 marks. You can see here, if I give an example, just look at the first question. The reason why living on the edge has become popular is because of the four options are given: constant need for something different, population being much younger, exhausting effort to make changes, strong tendency to stay within our limits. You have to choose one and write the answer. Similarly, you have similar questions 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 questions are given to you. You have to do only 10. 1 mark each, 10 marks. Next, you have another reading passage. You can see that this passage is quite different. The UN's 2017 International Year tells that sustainable tourism is an important tool for development, most importantly in poor communities and countries. So, here it's about sustainability. Even a table is also given here, few terms and its definition. A study, a profile has been given to you under the headings age, gender, education, household composition, party composition, trip duration, expenditure, important elements of trip, motivations for taking next trip. So here, international tourist arrivals will be emerging economies by 2030. So in the table, you have been given few tourism terms. Following the questions, total 12 questions with objective type questions. You have to answer only 10 out of 12, 1 mark each. Students, don't think that you are given options, so it will be easy for you to attempt. No, you need to practice reading comprehensions a lot. Only then it will be easy for you to attempt such type of questions, because once you are in practice of reading and doing this, you will find no difficulty during your exam as well. Next objective type questions you will get from your literature part. You will get an extract, and then following the questions where you have to attempt only one extract. You are given two extracts, okay, from your literature part. 5 questions objective type questions, 1 mark each. And you have to attempt only one. Again, in extract based questions from your poetry section, from your literature part, you'll be given 2 questions. You have to attempt only one. 5 questions in total, 4 options in each question. Tick the right one, write the right option. Another objective type questions you will have from your grammar section. Here you can even get picture as an hint. You can see here in question 6. Choose the correct options to fill in the blanks to complete venue's narration. So here dialogues are given and you will be completing it, the paragraph given under the picture. Choose the correct option. So students, you must have observed that you are given internal choices in most of the questions. So just have a clear look at it, and during exams please make no mistakes, because what I've observed in half yearly exam, despite mentioning the choices on top, you have done all, and it's just a waste of time. Just give your best to the questions which you are going to attempt, keeping in mind the choices you have got. Last section B is writing section. Now these are the questions, not an objective based. Just check it out. You have letter writing, 5 marks. Options, choices are given. Then you have paragraph writing. You will get picture, you may get chart, you may get diagrammatic representation as a hint, as a cue to write an analytical paragraph. Here you can take the example. The chart given displays data about the number of digital devices purchased in Rishunagar across the year 2015 to 19. So you can see here a graph has been given of Rishunagar. You can see 2015 the digital devices purchased, then slowly and slowly it has increased till 2017. There was a slight decrease in 2018 and a sudden increase in 2019. So by analyzing this chart, this graph, you will be writing an analytical paragraph. This question I've already given you as an assignment. So move to the next literature part. Students, here you can see in question 10, you are given questions from 20 to 30 words. Then next questions to be answered in 40 to 50 words. Then next questions to be answered in 100 to 120 words. So the word limit has been increased in every question. So make sure that you stick to the word limit and write the best possible answer that you can. This is what you have to improve yourself in, that is writing skill. The same question can be asked in 20 to 30 words or 40 to 50 words, but this is what you have to learn, that how well you can answer the same question according to the word limit. Internal choices are given in each and every question here. You are given choices in every question. Make the best choice and answer it. This time you will not be getting any direct question from your literature part as well. You need to think, you need to analyze, you need to visualize, you need to imagine, think sensibly, rationally, then come out with a conclusion and good answers. You can read the questions here. These questions are not direct until and unless you are in a habit of reading, and especially reading each and every line, each and every word from your book. You will not be able to attempt these questions. So make sure that you read your lessons thoroughly. Without knowing the lesson, without reading the lesson, it will be very difficult for you to attempt these questions. So this is your sample paper, and exactly the same paper you're going to get in your upcoming exams as well as in your board exam. So look at it, and I'll be giving you the homework from the same sample paper, and solve this sample paper at home whenever you get time.